What if I told you that in the next 10 minutes, you could unlock a secret that will triple your savings? I know it sounds like something you'd hear in a late-night infomercial, but what if it wasn't? The reality is, most people are just one simple system away from financial stability, but they're trapped in a cycle of confusion and fear. Stay with me, because this isn't about magic. It's about a powerful psychological trick you can implement right after watching this video. Do you ever get that sinking feeling at the end of the month? You've worked hard, you've earned your money, but when you look at your bank account, there's barely anything left to show for it. It feels like you're running on a financial treadmill, going nowhere fast. This constant anxiety about an unexpected car repair or medical bill is exhausting, and it keeps you from living the life you truly want to live. But today, that changes. We're going to install a new financial operating system in your brain. And the best part? The installation only takes 10 minutes. This isn't about creating a complicated budget you'll abandon in a week. This is a 3-step method designed for real people with busy lives. Are you ready to take back control? Let's begin. Step number 1, the 10-minute money audit. I want you to grab your phone right now. Open your banking app and just look at your last 10 transactions. That's it. We're not analyzing a whole month, just the last 10. Ask yourself one question for each purchase. Did this bring me real, lasting value, or was it a fleeting impulse? Be brutally honest. This isn't about guilt. It's about gaining clarity. This is the first crucial step to seeing where your money is actually going. Step number 2. Automate your future self's salary. Now that you have a glimpse of your spending, you're going to pay the most important person first. You. But here's the secret. Don't just save what's left over. Inside your banking app, set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account. Start small, maybe just 5% of your income. The key is to schedule it for the very same day you get paid. This makes your savings invisible and non-negotiable. By automating your savings, you're essentially hiding money from your impulsive present self to reward your disciplined future self. It's like a little financial magic trick you play on yourself. Now, let's find some extra cash to supercharge that savings account. This leads us to the final and perhaps most satisfying step. Step number 3. The subscription sacrifice. Still in your banking app, scroll through your recurring payments. I guarantee you'll find at least one. That streaming service you forgot about? The premium app you never use? That free trial that sneakily turned into a monthly charge? Find one, just one, and cancel it. Right now. This single action can free up hundreds of dollars a year. Money that you can now redirect straight into your savings account. So how does this triple your savings? It's the power of the trifecta. The audit stops the financial leaks. The automation builds your wealth on autopilot. And the subscription purge gives your savings an instant cash injection. A 5% automatic saving, plus the found money from a single canceled subscription, compounded over time, will easily double or even triple what you're saving now, which for most people is dangerously close to nothing. You see, it's not about earning more money. It's about creating a smarter system for the money you already have. You just spent a few minutes learning a strategy that can change your financial future. The power isn't in the 10 minutes you just spent, but in the system you have now created for life. It's about consistency, not intensity. If you want to receive a powerful piece of wisdom like this every single day, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We are a community dedicated to growth. To prove you're serious, comment below with the one subscription you're canceling today. Let's hold each other accountable and celebrate every win, big or small. Now that you've plugged the leaks in your financial ship, it's time to learn how to navigate the treacherous waters of money myths. There are lies that keep people poor, and you might believe some of them without even knowing it. Click the video on your screen now to discover the 8 financial lies you need to stop believing. It's the essential next step on your path to true wealth. I'll see you there.